Last week I was flying to Palm Springs. Flight had just taken off and someone jumped out of their seat and screamed, "Is there a doctor on the plane?" And I said, "Hell yeah, there's a doctor on the plane. It's me." Actually, the person who screamed, "Is there a doctor on the plane?" that was also me. I am Dr. Chance Murphy. I'm a doctor in Hollywood. Today we're going to review some famous medical scenes from movies. Actually, funny enough, both Nicolas Cage and John Travolta are personal friends and clients of mine, and I've definitely done a few surgeries for both of them that are very similar to the face-off thing, just pulling it up a bit. This is a very accurate portrayal of the care and the patience that most doctors put into their work. For me, honestly, crank up the Maroon 5, maybe do just a micro dose of mushrooms, and we're out of there before I even know what happened. Okay, Alien. Sometimes people come in and they got a little pain in their chest. Often what happens is they did too many whippets. It's not 100% accurate this happens when an alien bursts through someone's chest cavity, but I've heard it happen. It's usually whippets, somebody accidentally swallowed a gerbil, one way or the other. You know, one time I actually went into a man's stomach to remove a dildo with teeth. It looked a lot like that. Doctor Strange. He starts as a doctor and then he becomes like a wizard with like magical powers, which honestly I've seen a lot of naturopaths who's basically doing the same thing. What I like most about this scene is that Benedict Cumberbatch, he looks exactly like the after for most of my facelift clients, and that's just how he was born. You've heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and Benedict Cumberbatch, all he eats is weird twiggy-looking bugs, so.
About 5 inches below patella.
Catch me if you can. Leo, good friend of mine, playing someone playing a doctor, so do you concur? Do you concur? I actually was running lines with Leo in Vegas for this one. It was a lot more fun than when he invited me out to the set of The Revenant. That one, there was no girls there. There was no Equinox. I fucked a bear.
10 minutes ago. He's got a penetrating
Mr. Bean, hilarious. One of the reasons I became a doctor was watching this scene, actually. He just starts ramming his hand inside there. Honestly, 90% of what I do is this. You just sort of reach in, jiggle stuff around, and then you high-five the family on the way out. He's funny. He just picked something up off the tray and ate it. I've done that by accident. And finally, Star Wars, episode Tres in Spanish. I use that a lot when I'm down in Cabo. This is in space times, a long time ago, though sometimes it seems like it's a long time in the future. That's Star Wars. I don't know. I actually know Hayden Christensen in real life. I've done all of his penile surgeries. When he goes method, he goes method. So I know that he actually dumped lava on himself for this. You haven't seen him in movies since, right? Is it worth it? Universally praised film, or not praised, I can't remember. All he has to give up is his soul, his goodness, and then he can actually become Darth Vader. Ever heard of that guy? It reminds me of the time that Carrot Top came in and said, "I want to get jacked." I shot him full of injections and did some CrossFit, and now you look at Carrot Top, different guy, right? His penis is, it's a wonder to behold. And that's it for me today, Dr. Chance Murphy. Hope you liked this. If you did, click the like button, comment, and subscribe for some more movie reviews. Sure, I'll rank my favorite Saw movies in order. Best to worst: Saw, Saw 2, Saw 6, Saw 4, Saw 7, Saw